Happy New Year 2024, guys. I just want to show you guys the life in the farm. So this is the life of the people of the northern part of the country, guys. It's amazing life. If you watch my previous videos, I showcase some amazing content from the farm life. You know, the life in the farm is not easy. Sometimes we have to travel like 2 hours from home, walking all the way to the farm. So the only way we can have lunch is cooking. So I hope you enjoyed this amazing food video. While you're watching the video, consider liking the video and also sharing this video on all social platforms. That's the only way this channel could grow and reach multiple audience. Thank you so much. I hope to see you in the next video.